Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an important and super useful topic, multiples and factors. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to find the multiples, factors, common factors, and prime factorization, and how to find the LCM of numbers. Let's get started. When we multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, we get what are called multiples that number. As an example, multiples of 4 equals 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24, and so on. Times by 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Other example, multiples of 2 equals 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, and so on. And multiple of 6 equals 6, 12, 18, and so on. Common multiples are numbers that appear in the list of both numbers multiples. As an example, multiples of 3 there are multiples of 4. When we want to write common multiples of 3 and 4, as you see 12 and 24, these are in the both lists. As a result, 12 and 24 and so on, they are common multiples. And the smallest one, 12, is called LCM, the lowest common multiple. Even numbers can be divided by 2 with no remainder. As an example, even numbers, they end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. As an example, these are even numbers. 12, look at the end, 426, and 130. And odd numbers are not divisible by 2, like this 13, 9, 25, or 155. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly. Let's find the factors of 8 and 20. When we find the factors of 8, we start the product that gives 8. 1, 8. 1 times 8 gives 8. 2, 4. Now we reach the middle and we have listed all factors of 8. Now let's find the factors of 20. 1, 20, because 1 times 20 equals 20. 2, 10, 2 times 10 equals 20. And 3, no, 4 times 5. And we reach the middle. So the factors of 20 are this. And common factors of 8 and 20 are 1. They are in the two both factors, 2 and 4. And 4 is greatest, so it's the greatest, and 4 is G, C, D. A prime number has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. As an example, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. And all of them are odd except 2. And a composite number has more than 2 factors, like 4, 12, 25, and so on. Because as an example, you can write 2 times 2, or 3 times 4, 5 times 5, and they have more than 2 factors. Remember, 1 is not prime or composite, it's a special number. Prime factorization means breaking a number into prime numbers only. As an example, can break 18 using factor 3 to 2, 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 is prime. 9, 3, 3. So 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. You can try these numbers as an example. Write a factor 3 of 12. You must reach this number 2 So you can try this 20, and you can reach these numbers 2 and 5 and 2. Okay, let's find the LCM of 30 and 20 using factor 3. So first, let's break them down into prime factors. 30 becomes 40, 10 to 5. So 30 becomes 2, 3, and 5. And 20, break it down to 10 to 5. And it becomes 2, 2, and 5. For finding LCM of 30 and 20, we have LCM is 2 times 5, and add the rest of numbers that there are left over, means 3 and 2. As a result, 60 is LCM. Now I wanted to show you a quick and really cool shortcut for finding the LCM of numbers by using the butterfly method. Now I want to find the LCM of 12 and 18. Just write two numbers, one on top of the other. It doesn't matter which number goes on top or bottom. 12, 18, and then simplify as much as you can. Divided by 6 and 6 is 2 and 3. Now just multiply diagonally like butterfly wings. The top number with the bottom, or the bottom number with the top, they are same thing. Product gives you the LCM. 2 times 18 or 3 times 12 equals 36 is LCM. And by the way, even though GCD is not really our main topic today, you can actually spot it here too. The numbers that end up in the middle are the GCD. And here, 6 is GCD of 12 and 18. So feel free to pause the video and try these LCM numbers. You can use the butterfly method or prime factorization. It's not important. Now you know how to find multiples, factors, common factors, the LCM using simple method, prime factorization, and butterfly method.